What's up, everybody? As you can see behind me, my Alumi Tub has arrived. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to put together and set up so you can get in the tub and start soaking as quick as you possibly can. Let's go. Your Alumi Tub will come pre-assembled for quick setup with no professional installation required. I was able to roll it into the backyard and into place with a helping hand and put it exactly where I wanted it to go. Your Alumi Tub arrives completed with everything you need in order to set your tub up. It's gonna have your firebox plate, your insulation, your firebox damper lid, a thermometer, your belly straps, your cedar paneling, and the tub itself. All you'll have to do is add water and start your fire. In addition to everything that comes with the tub, you're gonna need a few tools to help with install. You're gonna need a drill, an adjustable wrench, a tape measure, a ratchet, X-Acto knife, and a cup of coffee. Now we're ready to get started. And one more thing, gloves. All right, first thing first, you're gonna wanna install your little insulation blanket around the diameter of your tub, like this. You're gonna wanna make sure it's nice and even around the whole tub. When you have it in place, if you don't have a buddy to hold it, use a piece of tape. Once you get the insulation wrap around, you wanna make sure it sits just below this lower lip here. Next, you're gonna wanna get your strap loosely around the tub to help hold your cedar paneling in. Now you can start installing your cedar panels. You want this loose enough so you can still fit a few boards in to get it started. You're gonna have to adjust your strap as you go. Your X-Acto knife to cut open your boards. Now you can start with your boards. The boards are gonna sit in between the bottom and top lip here. You wanna make sure they're nice and tight as you can get them to start, and straight up and down. And now just slowly keep working your way around the tub. Don't forget to stop and, of course, enjoy your cup of coffee. Once all your panels are on, keep the strap up. Then you're gonna work towards your metal bands, and we're gonna do the top band first. Once your top band is around the tub, take your nut and your bolt and screw it on loosely. This will give you the opportunity to slide it around to the location you want. Next, make sure to measure the top band to ensure it's exactly 8 inches from the top lip of the tub. Walk your bottom band, or belly band as I would like to call it, around the tub and follow the same steps as before. Make sure it's loosely tightened so it will not fall down. And now measure from the bottom of the tub to the band so that's exactly 8 inches from the bottom to the band. This will help you level it out in comparison to the other two. Once you've measured around various points of the tub to ensure that the top band is 8 inches from the top and the bottom is 8 inches from the bottom, you can now tighten your nut and bolt to secure the cedar planks. Now we're gonna release the ratchet strap. So I didn't quite have my ratchet strap on tight enough when we did this the first time. I'll show you that at the end of the video and what happened, but this part kind of scares me because, well, you'll have to watch to the end to find out what. Anyways, we're gonna loosen this off now. Both of these two are tight, so it's gonna hold everything in place. Ta-da, perfect. Now you can get rid of that. Look how pretty it looks. What a beautiful tub. We're getting so close to being done. With a helping hand, put the final belly band around the tub and repeat. Okay, loosely getting that nut back on and kind of squeezing it as tight as you can. Now you're gonna do your final measurement on your belly band. Snug enough that it shouldn't move too much. You can kind of double check that. All right, now we're gonna go 19 from the top. Ooh, almost perfect. This will be your final tighten. Next up, we're almost ready to fill this tub up with water, heat it up and get in it. But we still have a few things left to do. We're gonna put on this, it's called the firebox plate, and it goes right over top of the firebox. All right, next up, we've got the chimney with the spark arresting cap on the top. And this is just gonna slide right in on top of that hole you saw over by the firebox there. Last but not least, the easiest piece is to put on. You've got your drink tray or candle holder, you've got the lid to the firebox, and you've got your little ash scooper / grab some stuff out of the bin if you need it. Okay, so you're giving this thermometer as a part of your kit. This little screw hole here actually is designed for when your tub shows up, it's used for bracing. I'm gonna reuse this hole, and what I did is I tied a little knot around the thermometer, and I put the screw back in, and I'm just gonna use it like so to hold my thermometer in place. This way it won't float around everywhere, and this is a nice little easy way to just kind of check up on your thermometer without having to get in and out of the tub and try and find it. Now that your tub's complete, Now it's just time to fill it. Grab a garden hose, throw it in the tub, and crank it on. Might have to wait for that ice to work itself out. While you're filling your tub, put your cover on to keep leaves and everything else from falling into it. Oh.